What are AI agents? Imagine a world where computers don't just follow instructions, they actually help you make decisions, solve problems, and even talk to you like a real person. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you this world is already here, and it's powered by something called AI agents? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover what AI agents really are, and why they're about to change your everyday life in ways you never expected. So, what exactly is an AI agent? In simple terms, an AI agent is a computer program that can think, learn, and act on its own to achieve a goal. Unlike regular software that only does what it's told, AI agents can make decisions, adapt to new situations, and even improve themselves over time. Think of an AI agent as your personal assistant, but much smarter. It can answer your questions, schedule your meetings, recommend what to watch, or even help you shop online. You've probably already met some AI agents without realizing it. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are all examples of AI agents working behind the scenes. But AI agents are getting even more powerful. Now, they can help doctors diagnose diseases, assist teachers in classrooms, and support businesses to make better decisions. How do they do this? AI agents use huge amounts of data, advanced algorithms, and sometimes even talk to other AI agents to figure out the best solution for you. The best part? AI agents are always learning. The more you use them, the better they get at understanding your needs and preferences. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. It's important to use AI agents wisely and understand their limits. They're smart, but not perfect. In the next few years, AI agents will become a bigger part of our lives, helping us work, learn, and live smarter. So, the next time you get a helpful suggestion from your phone or computer, remember, that's an AI agent, quietly making your life a little easier. Thanks for If you want to learn more about how AI is shaping our world, don't forget to subscribe and stay curious.